Hello learners, this is Usama from TechABU.co and today we are going to discuss the types and classification of computers. As in our last lecture, we learned about computers and their functionalities. We have already posted a detailed video on this topic. So if you have missed that video, you can watch it by clicking on the I button that is appearing at the top right corner right now. Before we begin, let's have a look at today's agenda. So first of all, we will define computer. Moving forward, we will discuss the classification of computers. And lastly, we will discuss different types of computers. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Computer. Computer is an electronic device which receives input, processes it, stores it, and produces output according to given instructions. Classification of computers. Based on the physical size, performance, and application areas, the computers are generally classified into microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, and mobile computers. So, let's start with microcomputers. Personal computers is another name for microcomputers. Microcomputers are the lightest and most affordable in the computer family. Initially envisioned primarily for individual users, these computers have evolved into powerful tool for many enterprises that when networked together can serve multiple users. Microcomputers make it easier for browsing, information searching, internet, Microsoft Office, social media, etc. The examples included desktop computers, notebook computers, handheld computers, and laptops. The second on our list is mini computers. Mid-range computers is another name for mini computers. They aren't made for a single person. They are multi-user computers that can support multiple users at the same time. As a result, small businesses and firms commonly use them. Now, where they are helping us. Different departments of a company use these computers for different purposes. For your understanding, a mini computer can be used by a university admissions department to monitor the admissions process. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are the second most powerful and more expensive computers after supercomputers. Large enterprises primarily utilize mainframes for multiple applications, such as sensors, industry, consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and financial transaction processes. The features which make mainframe computers successful includes their powerful processor and significant memories that allow them to quickly process large amounts of data, such as billions of instructions per second. These computers can handle a large number of terminals at the same time. Are you excited to learn about the most amazing creation? It is the supercomputers. Well, supercomputers are the most powerful and costly computers available that are applicable in science, engineering, and business applications. Supercomputers can process billions to trillions of instructions per second. Based on the application, it has enabled weather forecasting throughout the world, stock analysis, automotive design, special effects for movies, and other applications requiring complicated mathematical computations are among the uses. The key points that distinguish supercomputers are the high computational speed, a larger storage capacity, quicker primary memory, and faster secondary storage. Mobile computers. Mobile computing is a technology that allows data, speech, and video to be processed and sent via a computer or other wireless equipped device without the need for a fixed physical link. Mobile computers are computing devices that are used on the go. Portable laptops, smartphones, tablet PCs, and personal digital assistants are examples of these gadgets. The second part of the video is based on the types of computers. There are three main types of computers. The first one is analog computer. Continuous data is processed and represented using analog computers. Temperature, pressure, voltage, and weight are examples of analog data. These computers or devices work with analog data and output analog values. They continually take data and produce results at the same time. Analog computers are extremely fast. They can provide outcomes in a concise amount of time. However, their results are approximately accurate. Analog computers are all special purposes devices. A few examples of analog computers: mercury thermometer, voltmeter, simple weighing scale, barometer. Digital computer. With the use of digits or numbers, a digital computer depicts physical quantities. Discrete numbers are used in digital computers. Depending on the input they get from the user, the numbers are used to execute arithmetic calculation as well as make logical judgments to reach a conclusion. Digital computers are multi-purpose computers that can address a wide range of issues. They have high processing capabilities, enormous memory, and storage to handle and preserve data and information. Digital computers are available in a variety of designs and sizes. They can be divided into 4 categories based on the size, speed, memory, and peripheral capability: microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. The last on our list is hybrid computers. The term hybrid computer refers to a computer that combines digital and analog technology. The hybrid system combines the precision of analog computers with the greater control of digital computers and the capacity to take data in either form. A typical hybrid computer takes analog signals, transforms them into digital, and processes them as digital analog signals. Digital to analog and analog to digital converters are used to achieve this integration. Hybrid machines are most commonly utilized in scientific applications, industrial processes control, and robotics. They are also used in hospitals to monitor a patient's heart rate, pulse rate, respiration, and brain activity, among other things. So that's it. I hope you have a clear understanding of today's session on classification and types of computers. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Keep learning and keep watching TechABU.co.